Virgo. Welcome back. This is going to be your case of the X. It's going to be a quick and dirty reading for all the earth signs on this particular video. And it is kind of like we're still experiencing Mercury retrograde, so we can have thoughts about the X, we can hear from an X, we can just kind of be a little bit sentimental about an X, even though we may not be serious about it. But let's see what's up for you. And this is Virgo. Again, quick reading, case of the X. And then I'll do the other earth signs and do separate videos for each element. Okay, so, interesting. Okay, so underlying energy, and this is the fountain deck, is the Eight of Wands in the reverse. So there could be blocked communication with this person, communication not coming in. Could even be, to me, just some stalling out of energy, some ghosting, intentional ghosting, or even just incidental, like somebody might be busy and not responding. Whatever happened is there could have been some communication one way and it didn't get picked up, or there's just not communication happening. That to me is an undercurrent with you and your ex, Virgo. And then we've got the Fountain in reverse, which is a unique card to this deck. We've got Five of Cups in reverse and Ace of Wands in reverse. So the Fountain would be, to me, it's a coming together. It's a kind of a collective consciousness card where people are coming together for the higher good, for the sake of oneness, and people seeing each other as two parts of a one, or that we are all just part of the one. And that's in reverse right now. So you might have a heightened sense of wanting to be more at a higher vibration, or striving toward that next level of consciousness, or even uniting in that way with this person. And that could be that this person is very important to you, but for whatever reason, in other words, they could be a karmic partner or a soulmate, this ex of yours. And so therefore, there could have been attempts to kind of come together that somehow didn't happen. And out of that, there was definitely some hurt and disappointment. The good news is, associated with that is the Five of Cups in reverse. So associated with that, Virgo, you are healing, or collectively this person is healing from some of that hurt and disappointment. And it is also flanked by another reversal, which is the Ace of Wands. So this is telling me that whoever's on your mind, whoever you're thinking about here, at least for this time period, and I'm saying this is December fluently, but December 2018, there was not a union. It caused some disappointment, but you're coming out of it. This flame did not get going. It may have been sparked and then quickly put out, or it may have been a former passion that did not turn out to be as you would have liked it to be. So that's not a real uplifting message for you in this X. However, I just kind of need to kind of tell it like it is. The Six of Wands in reverse is underneath the stalled out communication, which is a non-success, a non-victory, something not happening as you would hope it would happen, Virgo. So you and the X. And what else is around this? Energy, you and the X. It's too many. Five of Swords, yeah. So there could have been some fighting, some battling. You could just be, just in the state of knowing that this kind of a lose-lose, that somebody likes to be combative or debate. This could have been leading up to whatever this was, where it did not happen, did not come together. This person could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, definitely could be an air sign, as this reason is the Five of Swords, battles with an air sign. Not on the same page. Debates, recurring arguments. And somebody wants a new beginning. I'm guessing that's you, Virgo. You want to take a leap to a new beginning, leave the baggage behind. I would say that's a great advice card when it comes to this X, because you can be the Empress here and manifest exactly what you want. So that's where I'm going to leave it with Virgo. Did have a positive note at the end. Let's see what's up for Capricorn. Let's see what's up for Capricorn. Capricorn, December 2018. As always, it's your Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. This is Case of the X for Capricorn. I'm going to be time stamping these, as you know, when you read this. Capricorn, welcome back. Case of the X, December 2018 or thereabouts, before or after. And we're just going to do a quick and dirty for you and the person that you've been with, or maybe even still thinking about. We've got Mercury retrograde. We're still in that energy. So there is revisitations of exes, sometimes reminiscing about our past person, that kind of thing. So let's just see what is going on for you, Capricorn. Okay, so the bottom of the deck is 5 of Wands in the reverse. So giving up the fight. One or both of you is giving up the fight about this ex. I mean, you probably are giving up the fight. You want to end the bickering, end the conflict, just kind of tired of it. I'm just getting, you're just really tired of it. You're showing up as the Empress, which is awesome. Capricorn, you want to create and move into smoother waters. You know, there is definitely two people in this boat moving into smoother waters. But I don't know if I'm really getting the vibe that that's you and this ex. I'm not sure about that. You could be dealing with an earth sign, Knight of Coins in the reverse, or just the fact that the energy of the earth sign is you've been waiting for this person to come around, and the Knight of Coins is just the slowest possible stalled out energy. It's certainly the slowest night, but in the reverse, this would say that you've been waiting and waiting and nothing's really happening. So you've got all of this power to manifest, which is fabulous. You want to move into smoother waters, and there's that ahead of you, sleek, crystal clear, smooth waters. And, you know, that process could be slow for you, or the person you're dealing with and we're waiting on could be taking their good old time communicating or dealing with you, which is why you're ready to manifest and move into smoother waters. Let's see what else for you, Capricorn, real quick. Any other messages for Capricorn? Okay. Yeah. So, Four of Coins is you're holding on to maybe something here. Maybe you're not willing to let this go so fast. You want to move into smoother waters, but I'm not sure you're willing to let it go so fast. And that said, 2 of Swords in the reverse, you are having some reality check about this. You're taking the blindfold off and realizing that a decision does need to be made. You're not going to stay in a Pollyanna box about this. You do realize there's a decision that needs to be made, Capricorn. And that's kind of like a Capricorn. You know, at least you're being very realistic. And and it would appear that you could be dealing with an earth sign or a water sign, Pisces, Scorpio, or Cancer, in the form of you're thinking about this offer that you would like to have come through, Page of Cups, from this person, or that you're considering that possibility of extending an offer. Truthfully, I think, though, with the 2 of Swords in reverse, you're being very realistic about what that would look like, or whether or not it's even worth doing. You're being very realistic, and I don't know. I'm just getting a vibe you're a bit in conflict, though. This is striking me as a very back and forth, wanting to be moving into smoother waters, realizing you need to make a realistic decision, and yet wow, now we have a King of Coins in reverse, dealing with either a negative, materialistic, selfish energy here, and this could be representing your ex. And with the Knight and the King both in reverse, I would say there's a really good chance that you're dealing with a very stubborn and controlling earth sign. And yet, I would say that you have options. 7 of Cups, just stay realistic. Don't stay in illusion land on this. Stay realistic, 2 of Swords in the reverse, and you'll be fine. But this would say that you have options. Okay, so that's what I'm getting about this dealing with the ex right now. Even if you're feeling like you have to hold on, evaluate that very carefully. And if this is just not the time to do anything rash, that's fine. Then just, save it, Capricorn, for when you feel more ready. Okay? Save it when you feel more ready, but don't let this torment you, Eight of Swords, because you're in control. You're in control of how you think about this or how you feel about this. Okay, so that's Capricorn. As for Taurus, case of the X for Taurus, welcome. Case of the X for Taurus for December 2018. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Case of the X for Taurus. We'll see what's up. It's a quick and dirty reading for those of you thinking about your ex or reminiscing a little bit. It is Mercury retrograde. We're coming up on the winter holiday season. I know how that can be for all of us, but let's see what's going on if you're interested in exploring case of the X for Taurus. Let's see. Fountain in reverse. Oh my gosh, same cards keep coming up. Six of Swords upright and Two of Coins in the reverse. Eight of Coins in the reverse as under the deck. So Eight of Coins in the reverse, Taurus, would say to me, I just don't know that you're willing to work at this anymore, or your person is willing to work at this anymore. There was an attempt to come together in a union, Fountain in the reverse. It did not happen the way you would have liked for it to. Maybe you had a sense this person was a karmic partner, and the Fountain tends to speak to a collective coming together, a oneness, collective consciousness, like that you and this person could have perhaps been two people that together could have had an impact on the community at large or the universe at large, or coming together in oneness. In the reverse. So something beautiful, I got to be honest, that maybe did not happen, Taurus. And then there was a desire for you or both of you to move along into a better scenario. The Two of Coins in reverse is somebody is dropping this issue as an option. Maybe one or both of you had another partner, and now it's kind of come to the point where somebody is not putting in the effort. I would say it's your ex. And there may be an element of over fantasizing about this and reminiscing about this as idealizing it more than it needs to be, with a romantic viewpoint, Knight of Cups. So I'm not seeing it coming together for you and this ex, Taurus. Looks like there needs to be a weighing up. Somebody dropped the ball. Somebody's not working at it. I think it's the ex not working at it. And maybe you've come to this realization, too, that you deserve better. And, yeah, you deserve better. Maybe you're willing to go it alone for a little while, Coins. Create on your own. Do some manifesting. See what you can create. Look how beautiful that is. So this could be a period where you need to just kind of have a bit of a reality check. Three of Coins. Build, create somewhere else. I'm not sure that it looks like, or that this partner may not be what you thought, but maybe they have some other application. That maybe they're not a romantic partner, but maybe they're a work partner, and there still is maybe there's something that you're in partnership on that you can build on. Maybe it's a revisiting on a different level with this person. It's hard to say. So it's maybe a case of not throwing the baby out with the bathwater, but seeing what's left. But it would say to me that for the time being, there will be some happiness down the road with the Sun in reverse, but you may need to just kind of isolate yourself a little bit first, gain your confidence back, and Six of Swords, move into smoother water, and manifest what you're able to manifest. And then from a stronger place, you can come back and evaluate what, if anything, this ex holds for you. So that's my earth signs, and good luck with things. And if you want to look at another sign and cross-watch your other signs or other people, the signs will be up by element. Take care. Thanks for being here.